So hello everyone, in this video we are going to watch our Desi girl Priyanka Chopra Jonas. So let's see which words you are not familiar with and which words you are familiar with. Let's get started.
Thank you. So my father used to always tell me something which I want to share with you. That why do you want to fit inside a glass slipper?
Okay, so why do you want to fit inside a glass slipper? Fit inside means when you are feeling like you belong to a place or a group, like being part of a larger plan or ecosystem. Her father is asking why you always want to be a part of a group, why you want to be a part of an ecosystem.
You know, like we were told, like Cinderella did, why do you want to fit inside a glass slipper when you can shatter the glass ceiling?
Shatter. Shatter means when you break something suddenly into many pieces. Her father is suggesting her that when you can shatter the glass ceiling, when you can leave that group, when you can leave that ecosystem, why you want to fit inside that group or in ecosystem?
I want to tell you a little secret. I'm not very fond of this phrase, breaking the glass ceiling.
She said, I'm not very fond of this phrase, breaking the glass ceiling. Here the word very fond. Very fond means when you like something. But here she is saying I'm not very fond. Means she doesn't like this phrase, breaking the glass ceiling. And why? She is going to explain that.
Why does it annoy me? Because it takes the context of everything that I have done, all my achievements, all my hard work, and puts it into a box. As if my ambition was, Kire, I want to find a glass ceiling and break it. Not at all. To be really honest, I was never in a mission to break, to shatter anything. All I wanted was to chase my dreams, my ambitions. I wanted to evolve.
I wanted to evolve. Evolve means when you improve or you grow with time. She meant to say she wanted to improve herself.
Wanted to become the best version of me that I could be. And of course, in Priyanka Chopra style, along the way, I wanted to smash and break every obstacle that came my way.
Along the way. Along the way means when you are living your life, and except you are living your life, there are other things that is happening with your life. So that's called along the way.
And of course, in Priyanka Chopra style, along the way, I wanted to smash and break every obstacle that came my way.
She is also accepting the phrase that I also want to smash, I also want to break. Smash means when you want to break something violently, like deliberately you want to break it. So she also want to say that I want to break, I want to shatter, that is going to disturb my ambition, that is going to disturb my journey. But she is saying that she is not going to leave that ambition by saying breaking the ceiling. Okay.
Which I did. But that does not mean that the glass ceiling doesn't exist. Of course it exists. And countless of women and men, mostly women, run into it in their professional and personal lives.
Okay, the glass ceiling. Here, this is the metaphor of saying having obstacle, having a lot of problems in lives. So she said, but that doesn't mean that the glass ceiling doesn't exist. That glass ceiling means the obstacles of our lives does exist.
Does not mean that the glass ceiling doesn't exist. Of course it exists. And countless of women and men, mostly women, run into it in their
Here she said, run into it in their professional and personal lives. Run into means when you face something, specifically any kind of obstacle, any kind of problem. So run into means to face problems. Specifically she is saying that women face a lot of obstacles in their professional and personal lives.
Professional and personal lives, and I'm sure a lot of you can vouch for that right now.
Vouch for that. Vouch for that means you can guarantee for that. Means you know that too. Vouch for that means you can also give a guarantee for that this thing is happening in our society.
The Oxford Dictionary definition of the glass ceiling is an unacknowledged barrier to advancement in a
This is a big line. Is an unacknowledged barrier to advancement in a profession. Unacknowledged means unnoticed, which is not noticed yet. When someone does something and you say like very good, means you acknowledge his efforts. So unacknowledged means when you are not noticing someone's efforts. An unacknowledged barrier. Barrier means the obstacle, the problem. Here she is saying that the unnoticed problem to advancement in a profession. So when she is speaking about women, she is saying that the advancement of women in a profession, there are a lot of unacknowledged barriers, means unnoticed obstacles. This is what I wanted to say, because the video length is going to be very long. So these are the words I literally learned from this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.